to increase response length in Ask AI. Want more detailed and in-depth answers from Ask AI? Today, I will show you how to increase the response length easily so you get richer info every time. Let's dive in. First, go to www.iask.ai and type your question as usual. But to get longer responses, you will want to add some extra details in your prompt. Try adding phrases like explain in detail, give a comprehensive answer about, provide a long-form explanation on, list detailed steps for example, explain in detail how photosynthesis works. You can also ask the AI to include examples or extra context, explain climate change with examples, or give a detailed analysis of. If the answer is still short, don't worry. Simply type follow-up prompts like tell me more, explain further, or give more details on that. And if you want even longer and more advanced answers, check out Ask AI Premium. It often unlocks extended response lengths and faster processing. And that's how you get longer, more detailed answers from Ask AI, just by tweaking your prompts a bit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.